Hello, I'm Mike with Fuse and I'm here today on this sunny day in our warehouse in San Jose, California. We'll be talking about the water heaters today. We mostly do three kinds of water heaters. One is the gas tank water heater, the one that's been out for 100 years. Second one is the heat pump tank water heater, which is electric. And third one is tankless water heater, which is smaller one. Talking about the regular water heater, it's just a standard one. It's a gas-powered water heater. There is a tube inside that heats up the water. It's been out for a long time. It is the least expensive option. Something like that for the replacement, usually about $1,000 if you want to replace the existing one and you're not looking for any efficiency or anything like that. You just want a simple replacement. That's doable. We rarely do that. We do that, but most of the people here in Bay Area, they're looking for the ways to save the energy, to make everything more green and so on. So they always ask us about different options on other products. So two other products that we highly suggest is the heat pump water heaters, which is right here. This one is the most standard heat pump water heater. It is 50-gallon one. Saves you about, they say, around $315 per year versus your original old water heater. This one is a fully electric heat pump water heater. It is the same tank. On top of the tank is a small heat pump. It uses only electricity to heat up this water instead of gas. And because the heat pump is very efficient technology, that's why there is a huge efficiency and savings. California offers several rebate options for this. So rebates range $2,000 to $3,000 and so on, depends on the counties and so many options. Installation takes most of the time only 1 day. Ballpark price is around $6,000–7,000. Once again, it depends on the complications. How big is your house? How many gallons you need? How far this would be from the electric panel and so on. It could be installed inside your garage or somewhere else, but this one is indoor. Another option also, so if we're gonna stop talking about the heat pumps and go onto the next one, which is a tankless. So we have this right inside our showroom wall here. We put it as a display because we do the trainings here, but this is how the tankless water heater looks like. I'll tell you about the advantages. So one of the biggest advantage is it takes less space. Number two, it is on demand. By on demand, what happens is it's only gonna use gas once you turn it on. So the biggest advantage is it's not gonna use any kind of energy, not electric, not gas, unless you use it. What else is good, the third one is, you know, like the water heaters with the tanks, they have some capacity, 40–50 gallon. This one doesn't have a capacity. You can be taking a shower the whole day non-stop. It's gonna run non-stop, so there is no like cap on that one. Another thing is you can put it also outside. So not only inside, you don't need to insulate it or anything, so you can put it outside your house if you want to completely empty out your house from anything, or your garage, you can install it outside. That's it, on any of the walls, somewhere out of the sight. Unfortunately, we don't have any big rebates on this because it uses the gas. But the biggest efficiency of this, it's on demand, so it's not gonna use any energy unless the one that you need it for your shower or any of that uses. Something like this for the installation takes about 2 days. We can discuss with you with options where we can install it. It could be outside or inside, and we can also do the assessment based on how big this unit would be, like how many gallons per minute of the hot water they need to produce. A very good option. So whether you select the heat pump water heater or this water heater, all of these are good options to make your house more efficient with the new today's equipment, you know, which has good advanced technology built in. So thank you for watching, and please reach out to us. We'll be happy to send you any estimates to come out to visit you and give you the proper assessment of what's needed. And obviously, once we do all the installations, we'll be part of your family. Whenever it happens, we'll always be happy to come out and fix any of the issues or deal with anything. Thank you for watching, and this is Mike with Fuse. We'll see you later.